We're solving problem 23 from the 12A 2022. Let h of n and k of n be the uniquely relatively prime positive integers such that 1 over 1 plus 1 half plus 1/3 plus ... plus 1 over n is h of n over k of n. Let n denote the least common multiple of the numbers 1 to n. For how many integers with n is between 1 and 22 is k of n less than L of n? Let's take n 6 because that's the first value that works. It basically means that this is 1 over 1 plus 1 half plus 1/3 plus 1/4 plus 1/5 plus 1/6. It all becomes 147 over 60, which is 49 over 20. This is a good example because in this case, n was 6, k of n was 20, because that's the fully simplified denominator, and L of n, and L of n was equal to 60. This is one case where it does work. And if it does work, we can immediately kick away answer choice A, which is 0. Okay. So this is basically where if it simplifies the fraction, it works. If it doesn't, it does not. Okay. Now, this can be a bit tricky, but you can set up a whole big equation for it. This is first ln plus ln over 2 plus ln over 3 plus ln over 4 plus ln over 5 plus ln over 6 over ln. This is essentially representing the n equals 6 case. Now, the reason this is true is because, it's because it divides by 3, and we want it to divide by 3. ln over 5 doesn't divide by 3. This doesn't divide by 3. These two don't, so it's just the ln over 3 and the ln over 6. When we sum these two, these equate to 3 ln over 6 unsimplified. So that explains where we get the 3 comes from. So what we can do is try and keep on adding values to test new values of n to solve this equation. So what we can do is we keep this equation. N equals 6 works. How about n equals 7? Well, when n equals 7, you basically have this whole multiplication, this product of numbers going on here. We know it's 1 times 2 times 3 times 2 times 5 times 7. That's the least amount of numbers to get to our number here. And the 7 was added on because this n equals 7 was here. Now, we see that it clearly divides evenly and well. So this n equals 7 works. It is a confirmed case. N equals 8. What about n equals 8? You have to now multiply it now and another 2 to get this, because that makes 3 2s and 8. Well, similarly, by checking the divisibility along all these numbers, we see that, 8 does work. Now, you want to check n equals what? N 9. If there's n equals 9, multiply by 3. Well, this be divided? Well, sadly no, because at some point well, because you have to n equals 9, we started this equation at n equals 6. So at n equals 7, you have to add an ln over 7, n equals 8, ln over 8, ln over 9. But no other numbers can divide that other than ln over 9. So sadly, this case does not work. Now, we already have 3 cases, so I'm just saying, it could be B, but if it isn't, then we're left with 3 more abilities. Okay. So, see here. Just skip, or if we try n equals 10, that doesn't work. Let's try n equals 11. Does this work? Well, I mean, if you try this, it adds all the way to ln over 11. Well, how can we divide this? There's only one 11 here, and it's prime. This works. Alright. Well, let's see. Let's try some other numbers, like n equals 15. If we try all the ones before it and they don't work, well, yeah, it's not going to work. This now adds to ln over 15, right? And you keep on adding surreptitious values so that it works. Okay, ln over 15. Thing happens. Well, this isn't the first time it has occurred, but we want to see something for ourselves. We have ln over 5 plus ln over 10 plus ln over 15. What does this sum up to? Because 15 can be divided by 3. Let's say what this sums up to. 1, 1, 1, 1 ln over 30. There is no 3 there. That's strange, but there is a 30 on the denominator. Okay. Now, if we try more numbers, basically you want a sum of this that is divisible by 3. So by checking these numbers, we get that n is 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22 are all solutions as this works, because it is literally above and beyond these numbers. So we can count up the number of n solutions we have. There are 5 here. That's 2 more, so that makes 7. That's 8, 9, 10, but well, let's just hold on for a second here. If we have 5 here, did these work? Well, evidently they did. There was a 6 that worked. One of these, actually, I don't think one of them worked, let's say. Let's review this case. N equals 7. Well, does this work? 7 is the only one that divides 7. One of them is, our answer is gonna be 8.